Well, good morning, Yuriki. For in case you don't, and I am making and posting these videos for myself as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. And I started doing that for two very specific reasons. But before I get into that, people that watch my videos every day can immediately skip to 2 minutes if you want to miss the intro section of this video. Or you can skip into 5 minutes, more or less, if you want to miss the intro section and the evaluation of my prediction that I made yesterday. For everyone else watching for the first time, I started making these videos firstly because I could not find the content that I was looking for in 10 minutes or less. Because I spent hours and hours of watching Bitcoin YouTube prediction videos, subscribed to 5 or more channels only to learn that the price might go up or it might go down today. Um, Only to hear that was what was predicted last month, last year, only to see in what hotel someone is staying in what country they are on holiday in, what car they just bought. Sometimes you even get to see an emergency or a danger entitled video. And in my view, that danger should have been explained to me, and I wanted to be prepared for that. And content like that only creates an unrealistic expectation of trading. Secondly, I want to rate myself on the accuracy of my own videos. I want to better myself as a trader with the accurate percentage rating of what was predicted correctly and what was not. I want to know what's going to happen today. I want a prediction video that will tell me in what direction the price is likely to go today and what I should do if it doesn't. I want to know where I should long, where I should short, and at what price. I also want to make profit on every 4 hour candle if possible so that I can move on to my next trade. Now, with that said and done, and with understanding that this is not financial advice, that I cannot be held responsible or accountable for any of this content, which is all my own opinion, all my own views, let's jump right into what happened yesterday. Now, firstly, before I start, if you're watching this video today, I would like you to go back to certain sections of yesterday's video. I would like you to check me on that, and after you've checked me, and you are well, it has been proven to be correct, I would like you to leave a like and share my video with someone and say, why the heck aren't we watching more of this guy's content? Because as much as I appreciate eight followers, um, I really think that I could help more people. If you did go into one of the trades that I said yesterday, fantastic. Please leave me a like on that one. But you don't waste any more time on that. Let's have a look. When I made the video yesterday, it was more or less the same time over here. The price was 34,900. Price time was more or less exactly the same as this morning, 4:30 in the morning. I'm making these videos from the Eastern Cape of South Africa. At 7 minutes 10 seconds into yesterday's video, I said I believe that the price is going to go down. I said it might go down as low at 7 minutes 20 seconds. I said it might go as low as 34,600. Let's have a look what the lowest price was when it came to yesterday. 34,561. So it did come down to 35,600. I was 100% correct on that one. Actually came down with about $39 more than I expected. Then at 7 minutes 40 seconds into yesterday's video, I said that I see there's a trading area for yesterday, which is somewhere in the region of 34,500 at the bottom, which we've already established it did come down to that. And I said that I believe there is a top of about 35,700. So let's have a look what the top was. Top was 35,900. So it came up a little bit more than I expected, but my trading range, my trading area for yesterday was exactly spot on. On my own position at that stage, I said that go into, I would take profit on my position on 34,729 yesterday, which I did, so I made profit on that one. Um, I also entered another position. I entered a short at 34. Let's have a look. 34,850. After that one fell because at that stage price went down. I took profit on that one. Then I went into a short again at 34,850. I just want to check exactly what that was. That was over the um, and I took profit on that one, just $100 short. Remember, that's basically my trading strategy. For every $100 that the price does go up or that the price does go down, into whichever direction I was thinking, I put in a take profit. If it goes into the other direction that I was expecting, I add to that for every $100 to give me, to move up my entry price, to give me a better chance of either going out in a break even or into a profit. So what does that do to my trading record? Eureka, you have now made and posted 38 videos in total. 27 of them was correct, 7 was neutral, 4 of them was completely wrong. And that gives me an 89.47% accuracy on my trading um, predictions. So, what's going to happen today? I would want to zoom out and make it clear that I can see 4 distinct triangle patterns at the moment. There's a yellow one, there is a blue one, there's a white one, and a red one. The white one does not really be any resemblance anymore because that did fall. On that one, I said that I believe that the price is going to come down, which it did. The red one for yesterday, I said I believe that the price is going to come down, will come to down to more or less that area, which it did. So the ones for me that are still in play is this yellow one and the blue one. And immediately on both of them, the way that I see it, and remember this is my own strategy, um, if the price is less, either no, if the price is above the area where the two triangles meet, price is going to go up. If it is below, it's likely that it's going to go down. So both of these candles are telling me that the price is going to go down. The blue one is telling me that the price will eventually go down to 33,900. Yellow one is telling me that the price will go down to roughly about 33,350 eventually though. These triangles still have a lot of ways to go. It can change. So that is just what it shows me it is eventually going to do. For today, I am expecting a trading range of somewhere between 35 150. I believe that the price still needs to come down to test this line. On my own position, also just it's basically going to be $100 trading, $100 drop in price that I will take profit on, because I'm basically expecting the price will come down, test 35 150. From there onwards, I want to see if there will be a 4-hour candle close on top of this line, 35 150. If there is, I am going to long. I'm going to long from here to roughly about 35 750, and that is where I'll enter a short. And I'm basically expecting the price to basically jump between that area for the next day or so. Eventually, again, I think it's going to come down. So yes, if it does touch this line of 35 150, that's where I'm going to take profit on my position. I'm going to move on to the next candle and look into that one. If there is a close below this line, I would go into a short again, and I would short it down to not a massive area, 35 100, let's call it, to about 35 9, 34 900. So it's roughly about a $200 trade that you can take. From there, if the price goes up, which is all better options for me at this stage, I can see a lot of resistance at the top. I would short 35 750. I would short 35 920. I would short 36 070. That's more or less my trading areas that I'm expecting for today, and that is more or less what my own strategies. Now, Eureka, with that said and done, let's go into your 5 golden rules for trading and let's end of the day. Before you go into any trade, Yuri, before you even press enter, ask yourself a couple of questions. Firstly, are you going to get emotional about your trades? Because if you are, do not get emotionally involved. Don't even go into your trade. Don't get emotionally involved. Prepare for what might happen, accept what you can't. Number two, never ever play more than you can afford to lose. If you can't afford to lose it, don't enter it. Number three, never enter a position with everything you've got at your disposal at once. Go in with intervals just in case the price goes the other way. Number four, take profit by putting in a take profit as much as soon as you can. Number five, remember the higher the leverage, the higher your risk. And with that, trust the triangle, create the lines.